Why do 80% of tech users hate Windows 10 updates? Because they always pop up at the worst times. Here's how to stop them forever. First, hit the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Services, MSC, and hit Enter. Scroll down to Windows Update, right-click, and select Properties. In the new window, change the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. Now, let's make sure updates are really gone. Open the Run dialog box again and type gpedit.msc. Navigate to Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and finally Windows Update. Double-click on Configure Automatic Updates and set it to Disabled. Hit Apply, then OK, and you're done. Boom! No more surprise interruptions. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next one.